Hey, it's Mr. G. Let's go over a quick guitar lick using fingerstyle. Now, when you're jamming the guitar and you're playing some blues, it's great to play the pick, but it's also fun sometimes to get familiar with playing with your fingers. Fingerstyle guitar is something I've always enjoyed. I've been doing since I first started playing. And I think it's great to include into your practice mix. So let's go over a quick little blues lick using our fingers, okay? So here's a lick right here. So let's go over that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my middle finger here in the fretting hand on the third string, second fret. I'm going to play that note, and I'm going to pick it with my index finger on my picking hand. And I'm just going to play that note and slide it up 2 frets. See that? And then I'm going to use my index finger on the fretting hand on the 3rd fret, 2nd string to play that note. Again, pick it with my index finger. So like this. And then I'm going to pick that 4th fret, 3rd string. I'm going to fret it with my middle finger and pick it with my index finger. So like this. Then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put my ring finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret. I'm going to play that and pull off to the 3rd string, 7th fret with my index finger there. Like that. And I'm going to pick again with my index finger. And I'm going to pick this next one with my index finger too. It's going to be the 9th fret, 4th string with my ring finger there. And then I play the 3rd string, 7th fret with again my index finger on there. I'm going to play that and pick it with my index finger. So like this. I'm going to do the same pattern here. I'm going to go down 2 frets and I'm going to keep picking with my index finger. And on my ring finger, 7th fret, 4th string, I'm going to play that note. I'm going to pull it off to that index finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, like this. See that? I'm going to play that 7th fret, 5th string, that ring finger there, and I'm going to pick it with my index finger. And then I'm going to play that 4th string, 5th fret with my index finger there. So it goes like this. So far it's like this. And then I'm going to play this. So I'm going to play an open 5th string there. I'm going to finger pick it with my index finger. I'm going to hammer on my fretting hand with an index finger. So it's like this. And I'm going to finger pick that open A again. So like this. Then I'm going to play that 6th string, 3rd fret with my middle finger, and I'm finger pick it with my index finger. Then I'm going to finger pick with my index finger that open 6th string, that open E. And then just kind of end it like this. So I'm going to kind of take this shape here. I'm going to place my middle finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, index finger on the 4th string, 6th fret, and ring finger on the 3rd string, 7th fret. And I'm going to finger pick basically with my index, middle, and ring finger. So let's do that whole lick. Hey, Mr. G, again, a cool little blues lick, fingerstyle. Working that fingerstyle playing. It's great to add into your practice routine. Again, keep on jamming.